Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jimmy here with True Homes. I'm at Eagles Crest in Pageland, South Carolina. I'm standing in front of a home right now that is under construction. I love going in these homes as they're being built and seeing how they really come to life, all the way from just foundation to framing to the drywall going up and the siding and everything else. So the house I'm in front of right now, this is a Vale 2003. It's a 2,000 square foot, one-story ranch home. We also built it with a finished room over the garage, which this one does not have. And we also built it with a fully completed upstairs that has a loft or a bonus room upstairs, along with a full bath and a full bedroom too. So I want to take a look inside this home. Let's check it out. All right, so like I said, this is a Vale. The people who are having this home built put a lot of really cool features in it. One is the exterior front elevation. You see the stone that that's on all the walls, all these front walls right here. I think that looks super cool. You got the board and batten vertical siding there, and you have that cool design right there at the top of that gable. Have it on this one too, and a black metal roof right there. Even around the doorway, you've got stone going all around the door. Love the color of this door too. You come in and you've got wainscoting throughout the entire foyer. You got these really cool arched doorways that they decided to put in here. Crown molding, a couple of arched doorways. Now, we are still probably about 6 or so weeks from being completed on this home. So you can see underneath the cardboard here, we have put in flooring, but in the bedrooms where there's gonna be carpet, there's no flooring in here yet. So we've got a good size front bedroom right here. Then we've got a full bath with a tub shower combination. Check out that really cool sink that they're getting in there. They've got gray matty cabinets. It's a laminate style cabinet. We've got another bedroom right here. So 2 bedrooms off the front of the house. And this is, like I said, it's the 1-story version of this home. We can do it where you can have a 4th bedroom upstairs, whether that's with a finished room over the garage, or if you do a full upstairs. So we got a closet right here. We've got your laundry room right here. Good sized laundry room. They got a folding table put in, which I love that. I love when we put the folding tables and also the cabinets in there. And they've got another closet. So basically you got 2 coat closets right here at the front of the home. All right, and then now we're gonna come into the main living area of the home. Another really cool arched doorway. Let's take a look at the kitchen first. This is gonna be a gourmet kitchen. So this has the white matty cabinets on the in the kitchen, and then gray. The kitchen island is gray with gray cabinets. Really cool to have some contrast there. A couple of things I'll point out. This is going to be a gourmet kitchen, so it's going to have either a double oven, or I believe this one's going to have an oven microwave combination built in. So then you get the insert here, right here, this cutout in the granite countertops for your stove. I love this herringbone backsplash. That's really cool. It'll still be grouted. This hasn't been grouted yet, but that's gonna look really neat. I'm sure the backsplash, throughout above the countertops here is gonna look really cool. Went with the nice tall cabinets in here as well. Here's a look at the island from this side. So you can see there's lots of cabinet space. This is where the dishwasher will go. They got a stainless steel farmhouse sink. I love the farmhouse sinks. Whether you go with the stainless steel or the porcelain. There's the refrigerator cut out right there. And over here, we've got a drop zone. So the bench has already been installed. We can build in cubbies and put the hooks on and all that stuff for you as well. Here we've got the pantry. So good sized pantry right there. Another closet. And another closet. So lots and lots of closets in this home. And then here's the garage. So take a look. Here's the 2-car garage right here. All right, now let's go into the great room. So you go back through. So if you come in from the garage, when you come in the house, you come into the kitchen. And I love how the kitchen is just open to the rest of the living space. A couple things I'll point out about this home. It does have the coffered ceilings. So we do 9-foot ceilings as standard in our homes. So this has 9-foot ceilings, and then when you do the coffer on this home, the lower part is at 10 feet, and then the taller part is about 11 feet tall. Lots and lots of windows in this home, so it's going to get lots of natural light. And this is the main living space here. So where I'm standing right now in the corner is where you could put a dining room table. And then on this side over here would be sort of your great room area. It's a huge island. You could easily fit 4, maybe even 5, but 4 comfortably. You could fit some bar stools right there, so people could eat there. Like I said, you can have your table over here, and then this space right here is going to be your main living area. All right, let's check out the primary bedroom. So you got a spacious primary bedroom with a tray ceiling. Another arched doorway, love those. This one has 2 closets, 2 walk-in closets. So you got one on the left and another one over here on the right. So lots of space for clothes, storage, all that. And then they went with one of the luxury showers, which I love. You've got the tile pan right here, so the standing on tile, and then you've got a nice bench seat that you can sit on or sit your stuff on. You've got a rain shower head and the regular shower head right there. I love the black matte hardware. And they got the soaking tub as well. So you got the luxury shower. So we call this the luxury bath. So you've got the shower and you've got the tub. And then you've got 2 large vanities that each have their own sink. So one sink for each person, if couples live in here. And then you've got the powder room, so a nice private powder room where you can close that door right there. So there you have it. So that is the Vale. But hey, wait, I forgot to go outside. I showed you the front of the house. Forgot to show you the back of the house. So check this out. You got a nice covered porch, covered patio as well. So sit out here and watch the sunset, which it's about to do behind me right now. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this video, about this home, about this floor plan. If you're interested in a Vale or maybe one of our other ranch floor plans. One of the really cool things about our ranch homes is it's not your old-fashioned ranch home where it's just 3 beds, 2 baths. Everything is just very straight, very rectangular. Our homes are, we have lots of really cool designs. They're very customizable as well. And we still call it a ranch, even though we can build it with an upstairs. The ranch, the big thing with the ranch homes is that all of your main living space is going to be downstairs. You're going to have 2 to 3 bedrooms on the main level. But then you can, if you want to, you can go upstairs as well, either with a finished room over the garage or with a fully completed upstairs. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on a future video. Take care. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram at Jimmy G True Homes. Thanks for watching.